This is really a guacamole like nothing you've eaten before. So I'm peeling my ginger and I want to get a generous tablespoon, but I want to really finely chop it. And I'm going to continue mashing it in here in the molcajete. And then I'm adding a very generous tablespoon of honey too. Doing lime. I'm going to squeeze right into the molcajete. 2 very generous tablespoons of lime juice. And then I have the Pekin chiles that I am so in love with from Nuevo León. So I'm gonna add 2 teaspoons. I love that crunch because then you can get the charming little pieces. And then I'm gonna add a teaspoon of salt. So now I'm gonna mash away and I wanna just make it all come together. Now that it's all mixed, I'm gonna cut my avocados to make it easier to mash. I like to cut the avocado right in the skin. Just make like little squares. Go all the way to the bottom. So dice and then with a fork and mash before it goes into the molcajete. You're just making your job really easy by the time you get to mash these. So now we're gonna mash it all together. And the last thing I need is to add my pistachios in. Now that I'm chopping, I'm gonna chop some chives too. I'm gonna chop a little more of the Pekin chiles because I'm gonna add some at the top too. So I'm adding pistaches here to mix them with the guac. Okay, so it's all mixed now. And now I'm gonna just garnish. So I know you may be a little skeptical, but I really want you to try these. I mean, it's so ridiculous because it has the super creamy, smooth avocado. And it has the citrusy punch of the Pekin chiles, and then you get that peppery bite of the ginger and the crunch of the pistachios, a little bit of that lime juice, and the honey just makes everything shine.